What's up, goodies? Welcome back to my kitchen and to my channel, How to Cook. We're still in the kitchen. It's still Thanksgiving, but you're seeing this today after Thanksgiving, okay? Alright, so what I decided to do was put back some food because put some of the meat and them something about because I'm not having a large audience today. It's very small and tiny, like really, and I don't want the food to be in the refrigerator forever. Kind of take away from the flavor, so I decided to put some things back. It's just me and hubby and two of my daughters. I mean, the little one is not even going to be able to make it, y'all, because she got to work. And you know, for those of you guys that don't know, here, so my baby girl had moved into her own place. So let me go ahead and change this up. Stop. Baby, all right? Yeah, go back and forth. All right, y'all. So for some of you guys that don't know here, right? I did talk about it on my channel, Life is Juliana. That baby girl had moved out and she have her own place now. She do her own big thing. So she won't be able to make it even for Thanksgiving because she have to work. By the time she get here, it's going to be 10:30, okay? 11:30. She gets out of work at 10:30. And she works at the airport, so by the time she reaches us, it's a hot mess and a skip. So I put some things back. It's a very tiny setting. So let me show you what I decided to do otherwise. Alright, so I decided to put back some of the chicken. I'm going to put this in the oven because, y'all, I'm not making turkey or ham or nothing like that this year. None of that stuff. Very simple. So I did go ahead and season this up. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in the oven. We're going to bake these bad boy and make them nice and sticky. We're going to make sticky drumsticks. I have this on my channel already, the recipe. I am going to fry the fish and escabeche the same way, because you can't go without fish, right? So I'm going to go ahead and do that still. And then I'm definitely going to do this vegetable rice. I'm going to add the shrimp to it. Not going on extra. Like I want to make some pasta with shrimp in it, but I'm not going to do that. Change my mind. I'm going to make some coleslaw though. I'm going to add some apples to my coleslaw. This is for the potato salad. I'm going to put this popcorn chicken back. We're going to do this recipe sometime this week, all right? Because I upload food very often anyway. We're going to make the candied yam. You can't go wrong with candied yam. I'm going to fry some plantains, just two. This is already going. The potato and the egg is already going. And these are the ribs. I'm going to boil the ribs first and then pop them in the oven. And then that liquid that's in there, I'm going to make it simmer down and add some flavors to it. And use that to base the ribs and make it nice and sticky. Put them in the oven and all them something that I do have this recipe also on my channel already. So yeah, and what else? And yeah, this is the rice that I'm going to be using to make it very fast. These are my containers that I'm going to be using also. And that's it, y'all. I'm just going to cut out what I said I was going to do, okay? But we're going to take the fish outside because I don't want the house to smell like fish. So that's it. Just going to have some drumsticks, some fish, some coleslaw, some vegetable rice, potato salad, and some ribs. That's all I'm going to be cooking today. I feel like I'm still going to do the cornbread casserole though, because that's a must-have. So yes, you guys, I'm keeping this really mellow. Like when I say mellow, I mean I'm keeping this like literally mellow, right? Now for some of you guys that have not subscribed to my channel, Life is Juliana. I wanna wait pan to come over and subscribe. Subscribe to the channel, man, because I definitely want to be doing a lot of other things over there too. Okay, so come over and support the cause. I'm going to be cooking out here. The fish is going to be done right here. I'm going to put the fish right here for sure. This is what we gonna do. It's beautiful out here. Nice and sunny, but very, very cold and windy. And look at me, and I want to look at the top. But anyway, you guys, when I get a little bit further, I'll definitely come back and show you guys what I have so far. All right, goodies. So this is all set and ready to go. Potatoes are nice and tender. I have some mayo here, a little bit of sweet relish right there. The eggs, nice and hard and cooked to perfection. I have a little bit of parsley, dry parsley. That's totally optional though. All I'm going to add to it is some mixed veggies right there, and a little bit of sugar to turn it up. I'm going to add some vinegar to it also, because vinegar does do a lot of magic to your potato salad. All right, this is ready to be mixed up. We're going to make some candied yam like I said before. All I have here is a little bit of salt, and I have some cinnamon powder here and some nutmeg right there. So we're gonna mix that up and put it on here. And then we have the sugar and the butter that's melting down to go on the candied yams right here. And this is the gravy from the ribs, which is right here. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and simmer this all the way down to a nice little glazed consistency. Maybe add some ketchup to it, or add some barbecue sauce or something to it and thicken it up, and then pour it out on top of the ribs. We're going to put that in the oven and make it come nice and sticky. All right, so when I come back, maybe we'll be all done when I get back. We'll see. All right, goodies, so our ribs is nice and tender. The glaze is done. We're going to go ahead and put this in the oven and let it simmer all the way down in the meat. This is all done. I'm going to go ahead and put that in the oven, let it cook, cover it up with the foil and make it cook. And then our potato salad is all done, nicely done. So we're going to cover that up and put that away. Now I'm going to make some coleslaw, which I said I'm going to add some apples to my coleslaw. We're going to fry those plantains up, and then I'm going to go ahead and make that instant rice, put it in the microwave and make it get done, then finish it up on the stove top, and then I think we should be good after that.
But I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before I knew. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss.
All right, good day. For my coleslaw, I had cabbage, carrots, apples, black pepper, mayo, a little bit of sugar to it, and chopped chive. Dried one though. That's totally optional, but I like to see that extra greenery in my coleslaw. Just a little bit of sugar, okay? Not too much. And that is what I'm using to make my coleslaw. I did add a little bit of vinegar also because the vinegar balances out the sugar, all right?
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before the new. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed when we play our roles and ignore the problems. I like to be weighing my patience. Stay up, I feel so outdated. How can we look the other way? Sun is out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. But I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before the new. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed when we play our roles and ignore the problems. I like to be weighing my patience. Stay up, I feel so outdated. How can we look the other way? Sun is out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's
All right, y'all. So we're all done. Okay, with cooking. Hubby's ready to eat. Daughters are over here watching the game, and I'm tired. Now I just want to get something to eat and sit down and chill. Let me show you everything that I made today for Thanksgiving. I did not make any turkey or any ham. We don't want that today. But I'm going to show you what I cook. So let's get into it. This is our sticky ribs right here. Perfectly done. Nice and golden brown. And simmered in some good sauce. Its own sauce actually. And then over here we have the authentic Jamaican escovitch fish with onions and bell peppers, lots of scotch bonnet, vinegar, and all that good stuff, okay? And then over here we have the chicken drumsticks is what I did make. It is so good. All right, that's what that looks like. Love it. That's one of my top tier recipes that I made here on the channel, how to cook. And then we do have our shrimp rice here, shrimp vegetable rice. This is not fried, you guys. It's just kind of steamed with the veggies and all of that stuff and shrimp added to it. All right, so that's what that is. No rice and peas today. This is our candied yam. And I did not add any marshmallows because we don't want it extremely sweet. But I did substitute the raisins for cranberry, dried cranberry. And then over here is the cornbread casserole. I do have this recipe on the channel also. Cornbread casserole. It has a little bit of bacon, that's totally optional, and cheese added in the mixture and sprinkled on top also. So this is really good. And then over here we have the coleslaw, and then we have the No, this is a coleslaw, y'all. And this is the not mashed potato, potato salad. I don't know what I'm talking about. Potato salad. All right, potato salad and coleslaw, which I absolutely love because when I'm making coleslaw, I always like to add some apples to it. So that's what that is. And then I do have some fried plantains here. This is pumpkin pie and sweet potato pie. All right. So that's what that is. And yeah. All right. So that is it, you guys. That is my Thanksgiving meal.